green and slimy with googly eyes. Googly eyes and little thingies that go up in the air with round bits on the end. Antennae. Yeah, with a spaceship.
To avoid having to go out in the garden. It's just not my cup of tea at all. Boring, dirty, cold, wet, generally, out here. Do you want to say something, Mother? No, please don't. Just go back in your little... I do apologise.
I love gardening. They say in the garden, it's the closest place to God, And actually, I'm waiting for a nice warm day so I can go and pull a few things up. You know what I mean? So it's like God. Oh, hello.
Dirt on food. Dirt on what? Dirt on food can kill you. You can put one mouthful of dirty food in your mouth and you can be a goner. Can you ask me that question?
Horrible. Yeah, bloody milk cartons. Goes everywhere. Milk, anything. There's too many bags in the world.
Yes, I think we've got a lovely beach. The only problem is obviously the sea doesn't come in very often. Usually it's only in twice a day, and it usually seems to be the wrong time of the day for holiday makers.
I feel that if I've given my best performance and it's a good one, then obviously I get the reward, the pat on the back, knowing that you've tried to do your best for your coach. They've given you the training, the least you can do.
No fun.
Pujarem des dels cims amb el cor alegre, baixarem a la vall quan es faci fosc.